Hello students, I hope you're doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about Oxford Countdown Book 5 3rd edition. Our chapter is geometry and the exercise is exercise 1B and the page is 124 and this is our question. Let's read it. Question number 4. Find the complementary angle of the given angles. Do you know what is complementary? The complementary angle is you draw a 90 angle and then you draw in the next angle. Let me show you how. Like this. First you draw a line like this. Perfect. As much as you like. Then take your D scale, put it right here. Put this line. Now draw an angle of 90, which is going up here. Then you make an angle of 90 like so. Now you have drawn your angle of 90. Now let's see our part. A is 65, so we gotta draw an angle of 65 in 90 degree. I will take our D scale, put it right here. Now let's find 60 first. This is the 60. Now let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Now you draw an angle of 65 like this. Don't take it too up, only where the dot is, or it will get not the same one. Now like this. Now you draw in it 65. But now we needed to know what is this angle, so we will subtract it with 90. Our angle 65, we will subtract it with 90 like this. Now we cannot subtract from 0 to 5, so we're going to take a carry 8 and here 5. Now let's do it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much are left? 5. So 5 goes here. Then we subtract from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We left 2. So what is our answer? 25. We will write 25 right here. So that means this angle is 25 and this angle is 26. Now let's do the next part. First, you know what to do. Get your scale and draw the line as much as you like, but not too big. Then you draw an angle of 90 right here. And then you draw it. You can put arrows, or if you not wanted to, you cannot. Next part is 12. It's not your choice that you can do from here, only from here. Got it? Now let me show you. 10 is here, so we will count 2, 1, 2 right here. A little too much short angle, I see, but it's how much it wants. There. It's an 12 angle. It's too much tiny, but it's how much it is. Now we need to know what is this angle. Subtract it. We cannot cut 2 from 0. We're going to take a help. We're going to take a help from 9. Now there's 10 here and we are going to cut 2 from it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cut 2. Got it? Cut 2 and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Cut 8 from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 1, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got our answer 78 here. So now we are going to do part C, We're gonna draw an angle of 90 again, like this. But remember, do not draw that much big line. Just enough for your both angles. Draw an angle of 90 here. In complementary angle, you always need to draw an angle of 90, like I'm drawing it now. Now we're gonna draw 82 in the angle of 90. Now where is 82? This is 80. Count 2 lines. 1, 2, right here. That's a big angle. Like this, you're gonna draw a line on it. This is our 82 angle. Now subtract 82 from 90. Like this. We cannot cut 2 from 0, so we're gonna take a help. 8 and 10. Now let's cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cut 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We left 8. And you know 8 minus 8 is 0. So like this. We're only going to write 8, not 0. Not drop this. Only 8. This is 8-degree angle. Let's go to our last part, which is D. You draw again a 90 angle. Like this. Now we're gonna draw angle of 47. Is right here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Perfect. Now we're gonna write here 47. Now we're going to write here 47. Now we're gonna subtract it from 47. We cannot cut 7 from 0. We're gonna take a help from 9. 8 left here and cut 10. And the 0 have now 1, so it make it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 left. Put 3 here. And from 8 you cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left is 4. So 43 angle it is. And there how we done our question number 4. Now we're going to our next question, which is question number 5. And the question number 5 is find the supplementary angle of the given angles. In supplementary, you not draw angle of 90. Actually, you draw an angle of 180. And there where your D scale finish also. Draw it in the center. You put 1 dot here and 1 dot here. Do not put lines first, only put dots. Use your scale and get a dot in the center in where 2 comes, like this. You take your D scale like this and put it in the center. Now not draw, still not 90 angle. Let's say our part A is 165, which is 165 degree. Now let's find it in ones. This one's got it. So it comes here because it says 165. Now we draw an angle of 165 like this. Perfect. Now this is 165. We are going to subtract it from 180 to get at this angle. Like this, and now we're going to subtract it. Now we're to take it from 8 10 left here. Cut 10 from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 5. Cut 7 from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut this much. How much it is left? With 1. And then do 0, 0 here. So there you go. Our answer is 15. Degrees here. If you wanted to add 0 here, you can add, but I'm not. I'm just doing it the way. Now do it again. 80 here. If you don't know what is the center, you can take a dot on 2 like this. Draw your angle, which is 49. Where is our 49? Here. 5. So it is here. So 5. 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 here, and now we're going to put some more, which is 9. So because it says 49. 5. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna put it right here because 9 comes right there. Perfect. It's on the 9th, so this is how we get our angle 49. Now we're gonna subtract it from 80. 80 minus 49. We cannot cut from 9. We can take a help. Here is 10. Cut 10 from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Cut all of these except for 1 here. Cut 7 from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 3. And 1 right here. It is the answer. Wait, like this. Now we're gonna draw our angle, which is 88, and the part is C. This we're gonna put the line right here. You take the center, which is the 2. Draw 88. You can also put on your D scale a dot, so when you put a dot there, you know that it's right or not. Put 88, so 5 here, 1 and 2 there to make 8. Angle of 88. 88. Now we're going to subtract it from 180. And we will get, now we cannot cut 8 from 0 for we, so we are going to take help from 8 like this. 8 left, 7 and 10 here. Cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 there. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many we left? With 2. I did. Cut 7 from 8. So we cannot cut 7 from 8 because 8 is bigger than 7. We're going to take a help. 0 is here. 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 right there. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and the 1 is there, so now we're just gonna get our answer straight. This is a really big one. The last one. If you don't want it to put these two zeros, you can just put 1 and 2. It's more easier. And now our last part is 127. Where is 127? It is right here. 5, 6, and 7. Now let's subtract it from 127. Subtract. So we cannot cut 7 from 0. We're gonna again take a help. 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 cut. 3 left. So 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Cut 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, and just take 1. 1 is 0. So here we got our answer 53. Yeah. So this is how we complete our question number 5. So this is for today. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye. ये लाइन पढ़ने लगी थी।